Hello students, in previous PPT we have done about the recursion. We have gone through some simple programs about recursion, types of recursion and definition of recursion. Now we are going to do some examples, simple examples of recursions, how you are going to do, how it comes in your board and how you all have to write. Now you all have to write all the steps of the recursion, what you are going, how you are going to get the output. See, this is how you all have, now you all have to do the right dry run of the program of the recursion, whatever it comes in your compulsory portion of 5 marks, and it is necessary for you all to do it. Okay, so it is compulsory, so you pay attention towards this, how we have to write each and every steps. It is of 5 marks, and 70 recursion is of 5 marks, the output question, and one program also of recursion comes in your section B part. Okay, so sorry, part 2 section B. Okay, now see, that is optional, in that it is optional, but in part 1 it is in the compulsory position. See, suppose the some a segment program, a program segment has been given here. Y is 3. Void check int y. Y is here 3. This is your base case. If y is greater than or equal to 0, then it is it will work. Okay, then it has to print y plus check y minus 1. Here it will print y, then check y minus 1. If y is greater than or equal to 0, then print y. So see here how the control will goes on here. See how the working will be done. Y is minus 1. Suppose y is minus 1. Here minus 1. So base case comes become false and recursion terminates, and the final value of y is the memory will be minus 1. See the output what will come. Here first y is 3. Suppose here will be 3. Then minus 1 it will be 2. Then minus 1 it will be again minus 1. 2 minus 1 it will 1. And at last it will be 0. Okay, so then it control goes on here as a, then after that the base case will become minus 1 and it will not work. Okay, see how the working has been done here. Working of dry run of the example. See, the when minus 1 is your base case, then it will not work. Makes new memory on the next recursion, y is 0 and prints it. See, 0 has been printed. Then new makes memory on the next recursion, y is 1, then it prints 1, then makes a memory 2, and then it prints 3. See, here the data has been given, how it works. You have to write down this dry run, how the dry run takes place in the program. In the above example, the output is 3210. Suppose if the printing statement was here, below here, it was here, then the output will be the another, because y is decreasing 1 each y, the recursion y minus 1 terminates base case. So from here the control goes just below the function call as shown in the array on the left side. The recursive process terminates because no other statement is present after the function call. Okay, so output will be this. Now see, yeah, see, now here the again the thing has been changed. Here we have to write the y is 3. The example is same and the base case is same, but we have given one printing statement also, system out dot println y else y. So here the minus 1 will also be printed. If the when y will become minus 1, then it will be also be printed. Here is the dry run of your example 2. See, the dry run has been done. Go through with this no example. Whenever the school will reopen, I will explain it again. Okay, so don't go panic about that. Now here is your example 3. In this, see, in this example, see the both the below the function and above the function, both the uh, printing statement has been given. Here the printing statement 3210 and again 0123. See here it is your dry run of the program. Go with this description how it will work. First check it will print as you have done, uh, 3201, but as it goes to the base case all the things will come out from the stack you will learn. I will tell you. Then it will print again 0 from the starting, 0, 1, 2, 3. Whatever the elements have been filled, that will come out 0, 1, 2, 3. How the memory has been, how much the memory has been created there. See, here is the working of this dry run. You all have to write it. You are not supposed to write just answer only. You all have to write the all the working also. Now see, here is also the example. How y3 here the y answer here or the two. See, to printing statement, check y. Here the curly braces has been closed, then it has been printed. So how the output will come? 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1 will be also printed, but the star, how will it will come out? 0, 1, 2, 3, not minus 1. Okay. So go through with this note and with the dry run of the example. No need is there to write down note in your classwork copy, but write all the 4 examples in your copy. It is very important. Okay, with your working of your dry run. Write each and every statements whatever is written here and the program, all the 4 examples you all have to write in a class copy, but don't write the note, whatever the note is written in the blog.